guys, spring break is coming up and that means that you need some amazing DIYs. So us here at Ready Set Viral are here to give you some spring break DIYs you need to try out. Number 1, infused water. For this hack, you'll need some strawberries, lemon, some basil, and a mason jar. Apart from that, you'll also need water. Put all of this into a jar, put some water in it, and use a straw to mix it all together. It'll be much more refreshing than regular water, and it's simply amazing. Number 2, flower crown. For this one, you'll need some scissors, tacky blue nail polish, and wire pliers. Start making petals by wrapping them like so around the pen. Circle them in an oval and sharpen them using the scissors. Paint them with nail polish, connect them to a circle made from the same material, and boom, you have your flower crown. Number 3, fun shorts. For this hack, you need some old boring shorts and some fun material. Place the material on your pockets and cut it. Make sure to sew it on and it'll look super amazing now. You'll have some more fun shorts and it'll be amazing for spring break. Number 4, flower headband. For this one, get some artificial flowers and a rubber band and of course some hot glue. It's probably the simplest hack that we've prepared for you. All you need to do is cut the artificial flower heads and hot glue them to the rubber band. It's simple as that and super amazing. Number 5, balloon ice packs. For this one, get some balloons and fill them up with water and tie them off. Then place them in your freezer and freeze them until they are ice inside. Once you're done, it'll be something a little bit cool and interesting to have as a cooler to place your drinks in. Number 6, dress. We all know for springtime you need to have something more flowy than a regular dress, so why not make it yourself? Cut some old skirt in the places we are cutting right now and you will have an amazing new dress that you can wear whenever you want. Number 7, Capri Sun Ice. For this hack, you'll simply need to put your Capri Sun inside the fridge for some time. Then transfer it over to the freezer and once you see that it's frozen, cut it at one edge and eat it just like that. So yummy! Others will surely envy you. Number 8, Acai Bowl. For this yummy bowl, you'll need some acai guarana, milk, ice, and blend them all together. Pour them in the bowl, add some bananas, raspberries, blackberries, and nuts, and this is an amazing bowl that everyone will be jealous of in spring break. Number 9, gold jewelry. For this one, you'll need some Sculpey polymer clay tape, a gold chain, a knife, and a headband. Cut out the shapes from the clay using the knife and try to make it look like a crystal. Insert the headband and bake for 30 minutes at 275 degrees Celsius, and then spray the bottom in gold, if you want, but it's not necessary, and put it on the gold chain and you are done. This is an amazing piece of jewelry for you on your spring break. Number 10, painted rocks. If you want some new decor for your room during spring break, all you need to do is paint some rocks in the way you want, and then once they're all dry, you can use them as decor. Number 11, dream catcher. For this one, attach a string to the metal and secure it with a paper clip. Wrap the cord around the ring till it's whole covered, and take a string and attach it to the ring the way we've done so right now. At the end of the string, add a pendant and go in any way you choose and decide to add whatever you want. We chose some lace and a feather to make it more interesting. Your dreams will be secured. Number 12, DIY sea salt spray. Sea salt spray allows you all with long hair to have some amazing beach curls. Get a spray bottle and fill it with water and about a tablespoon of sea salt. Shake it around and spray it in your hair and you'll be able to have some amazing beach curls. But anyways guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!